Okay, so we've got the flashing all mounted up now. We're just gonna run a little bit of the goop under the shingles now to hold those down, and then we're gonna get underneath and start doing the soffits and the fascia on the front. Okay, so this is the product that we used. I'm not necessarily recommending this one, but siding sealant is basically what we're looking for. So it's a black kind of tar looking goop, and yeah, stick this in a caulking gun. So those shingles, we peeled them all up, and we just went along with this, gooped every single shingle, stuck it back down, and we ran a bead of this along the edges of the flashing before we tucked everything together. So siding sealer is the stuff we used.
Don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
Alright, so soffits are almost finished. Just got this last little bit here, and then we're on to the fascia along the edges. Getting there, looking good. Alright guys, so I've got two pieces of cut off here. I'm going to show you how this works. Right, so you're going to have like a tongue and groove sort of setup, okay? And you're going to use stainless steel trim nails. So you put up your first piece and you nail along the edges, right? And then your second piece is going to slide in like this, right? It's actually going to, see how it just slides under that edge? So we slide that under the edge, and that's it. You don't have to nail this part because you already nailed it. You nailed it here, and then you slide this piece under, right? So then you're not going to see the nails. You move on, nail the next one, slide the next piece under, and you just keep going in a row. Then when you get to your final edge, you'll nail the final edge, and then the fascia on the outside is going to cover that. And that's it. Easy. Alright guys, so the fascia board that's along the front there is just a curved piece like this, okay? So, here, I'll show it to you. So it just looks like that, okay? And the way it works is this top edge up here, it's folded over. You can see it's a double. Basically, it's reinforced. That gets shoved up under the drip edge, right? So that top edge there that we put on the roof when we did the roofing, this gets tucked up under that drip edge, and then the bottom, it cups under, goes around, the bottom gets nailed up, right? So water's gonna run off the face of it and then down off the sides. It's not gonna get in under anywhere, right? You just cut this stuff with regular tin shears, and it does leave quite a rough metal edge. Not necessarily rough, a sharp. It needs quite a sharp metal edge. So be sure when you're working with this stuff, wear some gloves, wear some leather gloves, something kind of heavy. Because yeah, this will cut you pretty good. Yeah, and that's basically it. You just go all the way along. So no nails on the front. Okay, you can use that the tar, the goop, and you can glue that front part onto there if you'd like. We put a little bit of the goop, well, we put a seam right on the inner edge. So we put a bead of it like that, so that the next piece that this is going to overlap doesn't have space for water and stuff to get in there, right? So you're going to want to make sure you seal it up. But you don't have to go crazy with it. You don't have to go gluing this everywhere. It's very lightweight, and it's tucked under the drip edge and then held up with the nails underneath. Make sense? Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. I had a great time doing this deck build. Big shout out to all my friends who helped me out with it. If you like the videos, subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned for more builds. We're always going to do something new on this channel with cool guy stuff. And your man Mike, the cool guy. Catch you next time.